What's the meaning of brow? Brow. Brow.
Brow. Brow. The word brow refers to the area of the face above the eyes that is covered by hair. It can also refer to the forehead and the prominent ridges of bone above the eyes. The brows play an important role in facial expressions and communication, conveying emotions such as surprise, anger, or confusion. In some cultures, the shape and grooming of the brows are seen as a symbol of beauty. Overall, the brow is a complex and versatile facial feature that serves both functional and aesthetic purposes.